Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera flickering issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all check if your camera lens is clean or not. So clean your camera lens first, and after cleaning your camera lens, your camera will start working properly. And if it's not working, then open settings and scroll down, then click on general, and here click on software updates, and here check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then update it, and after updating restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. And now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your camera will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then open settings and scroll down, and here click on display and brightness. Now here you will see a true tone button. So if you have turned on this true tone button, turn off this button, and after turning off this button, click on the back key and click on general. Now here click on scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now from here click on reset all settings, and then enter your screen time passcode, and then click on reset all settings. So after that it will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that your camera will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.